My name is Fernandel Rosero. In the present, my activity about informal algorithm. I started my activity yesterday. Second, I woke up at 10 a.m. 3. I took a bath in the bath at 11 a.m. 4. I had my lunch at 2 p.m. in the Cesar restaurants on 13th Street. I walked my home and went to the bus stop in front of my home at 1 p.m. I went to the Palmyra Soccer Stadium located between the park and the drugstore. I played the final soccer at 4 p.m. Game 1, yes or not. Not subcampeone, not runner-up. Later, I went to my home. Any activity. If we are the champion, we celebrate the tattoo stadium. Later, we celebrate in the Libertadores neighborhood. We celebrate until midnight. Later, we went to my house. In it activity.